Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time since I filmed one of these videos, like maybe over a year. I'm back with this video because I posted a photo up on Instagram of a makeup look that I did, and I had some people wanting to know how I did it, so I'm just going to film a quick little tutorial on how I created this look. But I'm just going to jump straight into making this video and hope that you guys enjoy it, and yeah, let's get started. So normally what I do when I do my makeup is I do my base first, but with this one I didn't because I was scared that I was going to get fallout. I'm going to try and make this video as quick as possible without explaining too much, but you know, we'll see how that works. I'm going to start off with putting some concealer on my eyelids to make it easier to blend the colours, and if you don't have eyeshadow primer to prime your eyelids, I suggest using a concealer, like more of a high coverage concealer rather than, you know, one that's not one that doesn't have a lot of coverage. I have tried multiple different eyeshadow primers, and in my personal opinion I think they're a little bit overrated, but I'm going to base my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Beige. So I'm just going to put some on my eyes, and then I grab my Zoeva 142 concealer buffer, and I'm just going to buff that out. To be using my Urban Decay Electric palette. I absolutely love this palette. The colors are stunning, they blend beautifully, and they're very pigmented. I'm going to be using this color, which is Jilted. I'm going to be using Urban, Gonzo, Chaos, Savage, maybe a little bit of Slow Burn, and Thrash. Sorry, it was a bit dusty, I couldn't see the words. Okay, this is as close as I can get you because I don't know why my front facing camera on my phone won't zoom in. So I'm going to take my Spectrum A12 brush, which is just a crease brush, and I'm going to take Jilted, so this color here, and I'm just going to apply it to my crease. This bit doesn't have to look perfect. Okay, they're not perfect, but that's fine. Next, I'm going to take my B06 Spectrum brush, which is just a buffing brush, and I'm going to take the color Savage. I'm just going to take a little bit of that, and I'm just going to use it to blend out the top. So after you've done that, you want to put a bit of a darker color on the outer corner of your eye. So I'm taking my Spectrum C06 brush, and I'm going to be taking just a little bit of Urban, and I'm just going to be placing that on the outer corner of my eye. And then going back to the B06 brush without putting any extra product on it, just blend out the top of that so the line's not as harsh. Now after that, I'm going to be taking my Spectrum Big 04 brush, and I'm just going to be taking Chaos, and I'm going to be just applying that to just about here on my eye, not too far in. Kind of, you'll be using this just as kind of like a transition shade. And then again, just going back in with the blending brush. The key to this look is blend, 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 blend. Can't say that enough. Can't emphasize blending enough. Next, I'll be taking my 231 Petite Crease brush by Zoeva. And we're just gonna take some of Gonzo. I just want to take it off. I just want to take my hat off to those beauty YouTubers that can show palettes properly. Like, I can't. I can never find a flattering way to show palettes. So I'm just going to take a bit of that. I'm just going to apply it to the inner part. Again, not all the way down. And again, just going to blend that out just a little bit so the lines aren't as harsh. So I'm just going to take my Spectrum A13 brush, and I'm just going to take some of Thrash, and I'm just going to apply that to the very inner corner of my eye. My Spectrum A16 brush, and I'm just going to line underneath here the same colours, going back the same way. Okay, now that I've done my eyes, before I do my mascara and eyeliner, I like to finish the base of my face before I do that. So I'm going to get started on that. So I'm going to take my 110 foundation brush by Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 170, and I'm just going to apply that to my face. Then after doing that, I just like to buff it out with a beauty blender. Now, one tip I have is soak your beauty blenders in water. Beauty blenders work better when they're wet. Using beauty blenders when they dry. Using beauty blenders when they are dry, it soaks up all the product and then it doesn't work. So they're used better wet. Next, I'm going to be going back in with my Shape Tape concealer, just applying it where concealer should go. Again, just taking a wet beauty blender. I'm taking a Real Techniques one this time, and just blend it out. Next, I'm going to be taking my trusty Australis Fresh and Flawless pressed powder in shade light beige and my Real Techniques foundation brush. And I'm just going to go around and set my face. Next, I'm just going to be taking my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Just putting a little bit of bronzer on my face. For that in, I'm going to take my Max Factor blush in the shade Gorgeous Berries. So now I'm just going to take my Nude by Nature Kabuki brush and I'm just going to blend it all out. Next, I'm going to take my Jeffree Star highlighter in the shade Lavender Snow. That's what it looks like. And I'm just going to take a fan brush by Zoeva, which is the 129. Okay, next I'm just going to take my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. Just a little tip when doing your eyebrows, if you're using anything, I suggest like crayons or pomades. When you're doing it, just little light strokes and fill in the sparse areas, and don't press too hard, because the harder you press, the darker your eyebrow is going to be, and just follow the shape of your natural brow. Now that my eyebrows are done, just remember eyebrows are made to be sisters, not twins. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking my Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Diamond Dust, and I'm just going to be applying a little bit of that all over my eyelid just to add a little bit of extra sparkle to it. And I'm going to be taking a brush and just sweeping off some of the product off the doobie thingy, mabob, whatever you call them, because you don't want to add too much in one go. So I'm just going to apply that very lightly from the inner corner of my eye all over the lid. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit and I'm going to add it to my highlight line. Like that's what I did in the photo. So I just added just a little bit to my highlight just to give it that little bit of extra sparkle. Now you don't have to do that step, I just did it because I thought that it looked really nice. Now after that you're going to want to put eyeliner on. You don't have to, you can put on false lashes instead or just line the bottom. You don't even have to do this bit, so this bit is optional, but I'm going to be lining my eyes with the Maybelline Hyper Precise All Day Matte Liquid Eyeliner. After you've done that, you just want to apply some mascara, and I'm going to be using the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara, and honestly I rate this mascara so much. It's amazing. Honestly, I tried the Benefit Roller Lash mascara and I was a fan of it for a while, but then I just got over it, and then I bought this one and I love it, so this is one thing I'm definitely repurchasing. Oh my god, I was that person. Now what I love about this mascara is I've already got really long lashes, but this just makes me look like I'm wearing falsies, and I love it. Now finally, the last thing that you're going to do is you're going to apply lipstick. In this look I use two different kinds. You can go for a brighter lip, you can go for a nuder lip. It's whatever lip you decide to do with this look is up to you. But first I went in with the Maybelline Color Drama lip pencil in the shade Fuchsia Desire, and I just line my lips with it pretty much. And after I did that, I just went in with the Maybelline Hibiscus Pop lipstick, and I just lightened it up just a little bit. And then when you've done all that, you can set your face with finishing spray. I normally use the Urban Decay All Nighter one, but if I don't use that one, I use my Rimmel one. I can't remember what it's called. But yeah, this is the finished look. It was very highly requested, I don't know why, but I thought that I'd just do a quick video and show you guys how I did it, and this is the finished product. Insert slow motion videos now. So guys, that is the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It was fun to sit back down and make a video. I don't know how regular these videos are going to be. I just have too much going on at the moment to sit down and film videos, but I'm sure if there's times that I feel like sitting down and filming a video, then I will. But I was just asked by multiple people to recreate this look on video. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and so if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button down below, and share this video around with your friends. Also, if you do manage to recreate this look, please tweet me a photo or tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my handles down below so you guys can do that. So until next time, keep smiling, enjoy your week, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.